Looking for the best air fryers for any family for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 air fryers for any family that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find air fryers for any family that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended air fryers for any family. Number 1 on the list is Ninja AF101. The Ninja AF101 is an exemplary air fryer that offers you a super fast operation, allowing you to prepare your food in no time at all. While its forecourt capacity is not really large, it is sufficient to cook for a family of 4 to 6 members. Designed to reduce fat up to 75% than traditional cooking means, this air fryer is a perfect fit for health enthusiasts. Apart from offering health benefits, it's super easy to use, enabling you to start cooking right away without the hassle of studying a complicated user manual first. With a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the unit also comes with adjustable temperature control that enables you to cook whatever you wish. Besides, it comes with 4 programmable cooking functions, which include air fry, reheat, roast, and dehydrate. Then, there is a one-touch control panel that lets you choose between the 4 programmable cooking functions conveniently. Speaking about the functions, the dehydration is suitable for eliminating moisture from ingredients when preparing homemade veggie chips or dried fruits. The unit also has an auto-adjust fan that automatically chooses between the fan speeds, thereby allowing you to cook your favorite foods. In addition, it features a non-stick removable basket with a non-stick coating that simplifies cleaning up. However, you need to be ready for a very strong plastic/chemical burn-off smell when you use it for the first time. In addition to that, another downside is the fan, which makes a lot of noise sometimes. Second on the list is Cuisinart TOA-60. It's always interesting when you see an air fryer that looks different. While most air fryers are oddly shaped like a space capsule or a huge egg, this one is a massive stainless steel cube that appears like a truncated toaster oven. Its boxy shape allows it to fit more effortlessly in a cabinet or on a countertop, but the unit still consumes some space on the countertop. Despite the compact in its name, in terms of power, it is quite powerful, delivering 1,800 watts. It also has a large capacity of 18 quarts, which makes it one of the first models that come to mind when you're looking for an air fryer that can be used to prepare dinner for a large number of family members or friends. When it comes to ease of use, this model has no complexity. You just need to turn a dial to set the desired temperature and time. There's also a dial with different functions to choose from, including broil, toast, and bake. It also comes with an easy-to-understand manual that contains different recipes to get you started on a soft note. Thanks to its large basket, you can spread your food out to quickly get crispier and more even outcomes without the food drying out within the time it is air frying. Most other models make you pile your food over each other, and this can cause uneven results. However, this unit is not easy to clean, which is because neither the drip pan nor the stainless steel basket are dishwasher safe. However, it's a great model that doesn't make you break your bank. Number 3 on the list is GoWISE USA GW44800-O. If you have a large family or you often have a lot of friends come over for dinner at your house, then you need to consider the GoWISE USA GW44800-O. Possessing a huge 12.7 quarts capacity, it's one of the largest units on the market. But despite having a large capacity, it is still compact enough to easily fit in your kitchen's countertop. It also has 3 rack levels, which enables you to cook family-sized meals and control the speed and crispness of your food. Furthermore, the GoWISE unit also comes with an inbuilt rotisserie, which helps you prepare tenderloins, whole roasts, racks of kebabs, or an entire chicken. You can get crunchy, tender meats, impeccably blackened fish, and professionally roasted vegetables with the built-in rotisserie. It's fast, simple, and you will definitely love it. It also includes 10 accessories, which makes it super easy to prepare a homemade meal. In terms of control, this unit features an easy-to-read display with 15 presets, which eliminates the guesswork from temperatures and cooking times. You don't even need to turn the range on to cook, to either impress or for convenience. And as soon as you are done, you can easily clean it up, thanks to its stainless steel interior and removable, non-stick drip pan. When it comes to shortcomings, we didn't find many during our research. The only one we could mention is that the included user manual is almost useless, providing little to no help. Number 4 on the list is GoWISE USA 5.8 quart air fryer. GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer is available with 8 cooking presets for pork, chicken, fries, fish, steak, shrimp, cake, and pizza. It is among the most affordable air fryers that are large enough to feed 3 to 4 people. This multifunctional air fryer comes with 50 recipes that will allow you to bake, fry, roast, and grill diverse meals with little to no oil. The air fryer has a sleek design with a large digital display at the front of the appliance. It has been upgraded with a new start/stop button that adjusts the cooking time and temperature, and an integrated alarm that works in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments to remind you to shake your dish. The fryer features a wide temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to accommodate a wide variety of dishes with different cooking temperatures. The temperature is configured to 10-degree increments. It also includes a non-stick pan, a timer of up to 30 minutes, and a detachable basket with a cool touch handle secured with a button guard. Both Cuisinart CP158AF and GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer have the same wattage and capacity, but the former comes with more presets and recipes and a longer warranty. However, GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer has the added advantage of a 30-day money-back guarantee that reassures customers. Number 5 on the list is Big Boss Oilless Air Fryer. Moving ahead, the next inclusion on our list is the Big Boss Oilless Air Fryer, which with its 16-quart capacity, warrants its name. Its large capacity means it's perfect for large families, as you can effortlessly prepare a complete meal at once. However, there is one aspect where this air fryer is really unique from others. It can cook food with triple cooking power that includes halogen, infrared heating, and convection, while infrared lights cook from inside out. Convection and halogen are responsible for spreading hot air with a fan. Consequently, this makes the entire process 3 times faster than the convection oven. With this air fryer, you can cook 2 different foods simultaneously. Moreover, the air fryer has a glass body that enables you to keep a tab on your food while cooking. However, for all its upsides, this unit doesn't have a digital display, which means you have to manually control temperature and timer with knobs. Additionally, the timer cannot be reduced if you set it high accidentally, which takes a chop from the convenience ratings of this unit. The unit is dishwasher safe, with the only difficult task being cleaning the main glass bowl. In addition to the fact that it's dishwasher safe, the product also comes with many accessories that include a ring extender and 2 trays. Just now is a list of 5 best air fryers for any family that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.